E3 electric scooter replaces the motor tire. Our wheel is flat. First, the tire must be flat. Take out a suitable tool or a wrench and then plug it into the inside of the motor. First, pry the tire out to the other side like this, so that all the outer tire and inner tube can be taken off. Then take out our new inner tube, put the new inner tube in, then take out the motor. Pay attention to the position of the air nozzle of the tire, and clamp it into the hole of the motor. Then press our outer tire onto the motor, and pay attention to the corresponding air nozzle. Then the other side is the same. Use a crowbar to pry this tire in bit by bit. In this way, this circle is stuffed in. Then we pump air into this tire so that we can pump air into it.